What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm traveling. Yes, and finally I'm traveling, but बहुत गलत टाइम पे travel कर रहा हूँ. It's basically the second lockdown and I don't know what are the flying norms right now. So I'm going to Chennai. So right now I just left and let's see what are the flying norms. As I said, I'm not doing a road trip, but I'm traveling by air. So I don't know what are the new rules for flying, and my Uber is already waiting at the gate. So I'll do one thing, I'll get back, I'll get in the Uber, and then we can have a good conversation. We reached the airport and we just check in and then talk to you because my driver was so super cool. Had an amazing conversation with him. So I'll do one thing, I'll just check in and then we'll have a good one-to-one talk. So finally done with all the check-ins, and right now I'm just waiting because I've got my boarding starts at 7:45. 1 घंटा है, and let's do some time pass. So I'm just taking some videos from my camera. That's camera which taking a good shot. Let's see कितना अच्छा shot आता है उसमें से. तो सेम कि जो Uber driver मिला था ना मुझे, Mr. Vijay Chauhan, he was an amazing driver. So cool. Basically he was just sharing his experience. We had a very good conversation. और वो जो 20 minutes का journey था from my place to airport, it was around like 20 minutes का journey. It was so smooth. He was such a smooth driver. कितना classy बंदा था. And he was like in this pandemic he had first of all lost his job, ठीक है, and then he started this Uber business last year. Within a year he drove around 65,000 kilometers. He was sharing his journey in basically जो lockdown में उसका journey था, helping so many patients not only in Bombay. He took few families to Rajasthan, to MP, to Gujarat. एक साल में 60,000 kilometers उसने उसका गाड़ी चला लिया था, brand new car. So you can just imagine. And then he was sharing his experience where he saw so many families where kids were not taking care of their parents, especially who were running behind money. So it was sad to know about that, but in the same way it felt that like there are so many people, कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं who go out of the way to help others. It was an amazing story what he had, and his journey, especially in his last year. मैं जो जितना सुन रहा था ना, मैं लिटरली बुक लिख सकता हूँ मिस्टर विजय चौहान पे. Amazing guy, amazing, great driving skills, and such a बोलते ना जिंदा दिल आदमी रहता ना. He had so many problems. He had lost his daughter, he lost his job, but still that smile on his face was just amazing. That smile on his face actually made my day. Like we have, life में there are so many problems that we have and so many problems that we face, but it is the way, एक तरीका रहता है जैसे हम problems से deal करते हैं. Okay, it is a way that we deal the problem with. It is a way that we see the problem. Okay, if we have a positive attitude, एक positive attitude रखते हैं और वो problem को face करते हैं, we can definitely face the problem and solve the problem. But अगर हम problem लेके चलते रहेंगे and we drag the problem, we sit on that problem, अपने बम के नीचे दबा के रखेंगे problem को, basically वो problem रहेगा और बढ़ता जाएगा, ठीक है, फुगा बन जाएगा नीचे और एक दिन ऐसा ब्लास्ट होगा दैट हम लोग हैंडल भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो इट वॉज द जर्नी ऑफ दैट विजय चौहान that actually बोलते ना गिव मी अ गुड स्टार्ट व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग लाइक आई स्टार्टेड दिस ट्रिप. और मेरे दिमाग में टेंशन था. ऑब्वियसली आई कांट टेल माई फैमिली दैट आई हैव सो मेनी टेंशन इन द सेंस कि लाइक लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, बेसिकली वापस लॉकडाउन हो चुका है बॉम्बे में. ओके, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम, बट इट वॉज लाइक फ्लिप. What if I get stuck over there? What if while coming back to Mumbai some other norms come up? What if this happens? What if that happens? And I was like, relax. You're going to enjoy. You're going for a wedding. Basically I'm going to Chennai for my very 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 close friend's wedding. So yes, I was thinking like airport is again feels like khali suna lockdown के पहले जैसा. So let's see how this journey is. Enjoy the rest of the journey and I'll take a small lap and you guys can enjoy the time lapse. just landed Chennai. Pretty cool right now. I don't know what is the weather outside. So let's check out and then let's reach the hotel. A lot of cancellations are happening for a lot of flight. Baggage मिलना बहुत important है. Baggage नहीं मिला तो ban बच जाएगा. So first I'll go take the luggage and then find that uncle who has come to pick us up. So that's the route for a couple of days where I'm going to stay. Pretty tiring. I had a good 45 minutes drive from the airport to YWCA. It's a very beautiful location. हम लोग कल मैं the next vlog I'll show you the space, the like basically where I'm staying, जहाँ पे रुका हूँ. It's pretty beautiful, greenery हर जगह, and weather. Talking about Chennai weather, it's pretty pleasant. And as I was saying before, कि like the experience going in Air India, it's pretty cool flight. It was a pretty smooth journey, but the food, they serve food which was good. It was great. I'm not telling you, but I felt it was like 2-3 days old stuff because the curd was khatta, and the parathas which they gave were pretty not that good. It was soggy. So yeah, it's okay. You can't. But it was good that they served something. Something is better than nothing else. But at the end of the day, the flight was cool. The journey was great. It was smooth. I slept off. I just watched one series and I slept. It was a 2 hours flight, so होते ना half an hour एक series एक episode देखा फिर कौन कौन it's okay. But yes, finally reached Chennai and going to have a great 2-3 days यहाँ पे जितने भी दिन हूँ आप मज़ा आएगा. It basically came for a wedding, so I don't know अगर बाहर ज़्यादा घूमने मिलेगा कि नहीं. But yes, I've kept a half a day to explore Chennai, nearby Chennai, go to a beach which is quite nearby and try to do that. Okay, but yes, it was a good, safe journey during this pandemic. It was a good, smooth journey. Chennai airport पे कुछ पूछा नहीं. Just saw the boarding pass and check the temperature check किया and हमें जाने दे दिया बाहर. So ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. So it was pretty smooth check-in and check-out from both the airports. From check-in from Mumbai airport and check-out at the Chennai airport. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed my day right from the start. Starting of the day में वो ड्राइवर से मिला, विजय सर से मिला, अमेजिंग गाय, अच्छा बातचीत हुआ. Then travel to Chennai after so many years. During this pandemic time I traveled and नसीब कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. It didn't stop me for reports because चेन्नई के लिए रिपोर्ट नेसेसरी नहीं था. जैसे मुंबई में नेसेसरी वैसे चेन्नई में नेसेसरी नहीं है रिपोर्ट के लिए. So it was a very smooth departure from Chennai, departure from Mumbai and arrival in Chennai. So बहुत smoothly सब कुछ हो गया and आज का function भी बहुत smooth अच्छे से हो गया है. Yeah, it was a good day I'd say. Chennai का weather is pretty hot in the noon. बहुत गर्म है. I'd say ज़्यादा घूमने के लिए like आप दोपहर में इधर इतना घूम नहीं सकते हो. So let's see, कल का दिन थोड़ा plan किया है. Now we are dead tired आज. बहुत होता ना छोटा फंक्शन था, सो बहुत थक चुके हैं. लेट्स से आई हैव केप्ट एन अलार्म. लेट्स सी इफ आई गेट अप नो. आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू गेट अप एंड एक्सप्लोर लिटिल बिट ऑफ चेन्नई. जिधर भी मैं हूँ थोड़ा बहुत देखते हैं, घूमते जगह. बट फॉर दैट आई विल गो फॉर स्लीप राइट नाउ. ओके, सो सेइंग दैट, थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, एंड फॉर व्हाट्स एवर रीजन यू लाइक दिस व्लॉग, डू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक, कमेंट, पुट इन योर थॉट्स कि आप चेन्नई आए तो अपने कैसे घूमें और क्या क्या खास चीज़ें यहाँ पे देखने के लिए. राइट. Saying that, guys, always remember to ride with your helmets on, buckle up when you drive, and wear a mask when you get out of the house. Take care, guys. God bless you all. I'll see you all soon in an upcoming vlogs. Taras.